Okay, so hi everybody, this is Leanne with Jar Fancy. I just wanted to real quick show you guys, like, kind of very quickly. This is going to be the basis for my next kit. I have 3 so far. I'm going to try to do more. If I can't, then I just can't. I don't know what else to say about that, but we got some, this is the image that is going to be the basis of the kit. This image right here, and that's printed on muslin fabric, and there's cardstock underneath of that muslin fabric, and then everyone will get a piece of very hard chipboard to go with it if you want to use that as a wall, a wall hanging or a back piece or whatever you want to use it for. These are going to be what we're going to use for our kits. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do one as well, and maybe record it as a tutorial. So, but everybody can pretty much do whatever they want with theirs. I will probably be including some of Crafty Devotions supplies and laces and maybe flowers and things that I got from her shop. If you haven't watched her videos, you can catch her over on, she's on YouTube also as Crafty Devotion Boutique. And she has a Facebook too, Crafty Devotion Boutique, sorry. And so there'll be some of her things in there, lots of other things. I have all sorts of goodies. I'm not ready to show them all yet. I just wanted to quickly put this out there for you guys to keep watch, turn on the notifications, and when they come out, it's pretty much just going to be first come, first serve, okay? So I'll be back with the rest of the kit when it's time, and I'll see you all later. Until then, happy crafting. Bye.